Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out a residential estates pool home for a client with a new price. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, this is 600 Via del Lago in the residential estates. Nice residential estates zone cul-de-sac at the end. So being that this is at the end of the cul-de-sac, there's not a ton of frontage on this lot. It's like 20 feet wide at the street. This one now has a price adjustment down to $779. Do have some side parking, probably not wide enough for an RV, but definitely get a trailer or boat back in there, no problem. All right guys, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath pool home built in 1994, 2,332 square feet. Again, it's in the residential estate zoned area, backs right to the golf course. New price is $779. Has big tall ceilings, can lights, vinyl plank floors. Has this little bar, wet bar. These are like concrete tops. This is 2-story. You can go 2-story in the residential estates area. You have a little area over here. Maybe you could use it for like a little dining area or something. It is a split floor plan, kind of. Has the master upstairs and the other bedrooms downstairs. So these are like concrete counters as well. So the double doors are the front doors, and then so the kitchen is a front kitchen. It's a little kind of an odd layout, a little tight in here. Some of the planks need to be put back in place. A little outdated. Do have RO at the sink and a killer lake fairway and pool shot out the sink window. The stove is like on the island right here. So you have a pantry. So you have this little dining area at the front of the house, has a side door out to the backyard pool area. So we're just gonna hit the downstairs first, see what we find. So you have guest bedroom number 1, back of the house. This looks like the junior master suite. Little side door out to the backyard pool area. Nice views out the window. So this is the little junior master suite. Has a door out to the hallway that Jack and Jill's out there. Those are granite tops. All right, so the next room you hit is another guest bedroom. Has a double glass siding closet doors. So you have a little hall closet. And this looks like a laundry room with a sink. Kind of a pretty big laundry room. Those are laminate counters. And then you have another guest bathroom. And at the end of the hall, looks like you have access to the garage and another little like storage area where there's housing the water heater, soft water, RO system. Looks like it might have been part of the garage at one point maybe. And then you have another guest bedroom. At the very end of the hall, has a door out to the side yard. All right, so let's go upstairs and check out the master. So you have a pretty big master. Has a really nice fairway, golf course, lake, mountain views. Has a fireplace in here, can lights. Looks like a wood burner. You have the master bath, same concrete counters, dual sinks. You have a jetted tub in here. Toilet with its own pocket door. Glass door shower. And a double glass sliding door into the walk-in closet. Pretty good size, goes all the way back. Also has a door out to a little patio out here. So here's what your view looks like. You can see the lake back there. You're at the tee, so you're probably not going to get any rogue balls. There's also a spiral staircase down to the pool area that we'll go check out right now. All right, so you have your garage set up. Has a 25-foot bay and a 50-foot bay. Standard 7-foot door. Plenty wide for a boat. So you got a covered patio on the back, has a sink. These are laminate counters. Your little door from the little eating area. Has a PebbleTech pool. Needs to be redone. It's starting to pull away on the step right there. Little plaster job. Pool deck looks decent. I don't see any other chipping or cracking in the PebbleTech. Spa looks pretty good. Still have a little bit of side yard over here all the way to the front. Yeah, so those are probably just wear marks, not cracks, but I'm not a pool guy, so. Got your pool equipment, heater. It's also an outdoor shower over here. So you have another little side yard over here. You have your air condensers for your AC. Here's your gated side parking access. Propane tank for the pool heater. A lot of the stuff in the residential estates usually has natural gas, so I'm kind of surprised this one does not have it. So you do have a gate out to the fairway here. And again, that's the tee box, lake view down the fairway. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Via del Lago. Again, the new price on this one is $779. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you can guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day. Happy New Year, and I'll talk to you soon.